Good Sunday morning to you. It is your Southeast Idaho planning briefing for February 21st. It's going to be a pretty quiet Sunday for today. We do still have some mountain snow showers possible for today, but mainly the weather story is going to be the breezy weather conditions forecast in the Snake River Plain and in the valleys today and again tomorrow. And windier conditions are set for Tuesday with the arrival of a cold front. And next winter weather impacts are forecast with that cold front, and that will arrive late Monday. It's a little bit earlier in the forecast at this point. So arrives late Monday and will continue into Tuesday. And colder temperatures are forecast behind that front, so expect some cooler mornings Wednesday and again Thursday morning. Our satellite from early this morning basically shows a lot of moisture off to our north and west, but aside from some low stratus and clouds in some areas this morning, we're really not seeing a whole lot of moisture over our portion of the state right now. But here's everything coming in. Our weather impact summary for the next 5 days here is, it looks pretty busy, but for the most part, impacts are fairly minimal or little to none across the board here. But we do see some areas of blowing and drifting snow concerns and the snow showers for several areas, and we can kind of highlight that with the Monday, Tuesday winter weather system coming in. And then for now, we're just sort of highlighting snow showers for Wednesday, Thursday for a couple areas. That would include Southeast Highlands and the Eastern Highlands, and then some snow showers in the mainly central Idaho areas. So let's go ahead and get into our forecast for wind starting this afternoon. Just like we have been looking at the past couple days here, we've got some stronger winds this afternoon across the eastern Magic Valley and portions of the Snake River Plain. It's a little bit nicer, so we don't have quite as strong of winds further north. So once you get north of Idaho Falls, we see these winds taper off. They're really not forecast to be so strong up here in the upper Snake Plain. But when we go south toward Burley and Twin and Shoshone area, we're seeing these gusts of 25, 30, and maybe even some areas of higher gusts this afternoon forecast. And Monday, we're much of the same, but you see this area of stronger gusts start to expand further up the Snake River Plain. So that those areas of 25 and going toward 35 mile an hour are now extending into the Arco Desert. Tuesday is quite a more impactful windy day. So we've got quite an expansive area of stronger winds forecast. The reds that you see on this map are 40 mile an hour gusts and stronger. So you see that here in areas like American Falls, Pocatello, Blackfoot, and even Idaho Falls. So we'll be watching the wind forecast closely on Tuesday. And with that comes blowing and drifting snow. So that's the impact of concern for that particular day. Our snowfall amount forecast for that particular weather system Monday evening into Tuesday is when impacts are expected to be highest. So here I'm showing what our expected snowfall amount forecast is currently, what it is currently, So right now we're looking at some of the higher impact areas to be Island Park area, the Driggs Teton area, so portions of the Caribou Highlands, the Eastern Highlands, and then some higher amounts also in central Idaho, so the Stanley Basin once again, maybe even extending further south and east. We'll just have to keep watching it and see how these snowfall amounts play out. But we're not noticing a whole lot in the Snake Plain, so right now we're forecasting no snow. Looking at temperatures for the next couple days here, so similar temperatures for a high today as what we saw yesterday. So we're in the 30s generally across the board here. Tomorrow there is a warm-up forecast, so we see temperatures in the 40s and even 50s for the Magic Valley area, but otherwise still 30s in the upper Snake Plain where we have all that snow cover in place. And then we're back to cooler temperatures for Tuesday, and then notice the drop, the fairly, I guess it's not greatly substantial, but a substantial drop nonetheless for Wednesday. And again, this is the high temperature. I did not put the minimum temperature in here, but if you go to your forecast, your point and click forecast on weather.gov, you can go ahead and check out your low temperature forecast for Wednesday and Thursday morning. It's pretty chilly. So again, for your summary, we do still have mountain snow showers forecast for today. Breezy conditions are the main impact for our area today and again tomorrow, but much windier conditions are forecast for Tuesday with the arrival of a cold front. And then winter weather impacts do arrive in association and because of that cold frontal passage for Tuesday. And it actually arrives just a little bit earlier than what we were thinking yesterday, so it arrives late Monday across our area and continues into Tuesday. And then the cold temperatures are on the way for the middle part of next week. Any questions or concerns with what we've just discussed, you can always give us a call, send us a chat, email. We will answer it any way you would like us to. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great Sunday.